behalf of Divine Faith Bible Baptist Church of Malastas, Rosario, Batangas. And what a blessing indeed when you came here on our first anniversary. And on April 17 would be our third anniversary. So, Pastor Lee, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. And may the Lord bless you with more blessings. And I pray always for you, Pastor Lee. Thank you so much. Once again, happy birthday to you.